there is a disagreement between friends as well also.
Yes, sir. Sir, so if there is a conflict,
Then what do you do?
yes, sir. Sir, if there is a conflict, sir, there would most likely be two factions. Sir, because among my circle, two of my friends, that is Tejas and Athak, went to the same coaching, so they were usually more close to each other, so they would stand on the same side. Sir, that time it was. Sir, it would be more relevant that we should be giving a neutral solution so that they first agree on that also, and then slowly we can convince that if that solution is relevant, then my solution that I gave, that my point that I gave, it is also relevant. So that way, I was able to usually convince them.
Okay, Tilak, from the little we have discussed and from your PIQ, there's no military background to your family.
Yes, sir.
So how come you became interested in joining defense and ND?
Sir, sir, when I was in 10th class, sir, that year was the confusion of most of chaos that what I would be doing after my 10th, what the subjects I would be picking. Sir, that time I was seeking for a lot of advice from my elders who usually suggested that you go either for engineering or you take commerce so that you can enter in the banking sector. Sir, but I was not interested, I was not finding it interesting to myself. Sir, when I heard about NDA, sir, I researched about it, so I got to know about the training period and that we joined the army. So, sir, when I saw the army, the uniform, it was something. So I thought that if I become an army officer, that way my parents would be proud of me, and sir, that the respect that would come from the uniform, so it would be unmatched to any other profession like an engineer or a doctor.
So was it for making your family proud or what is your own interest also?
Sir, so yes, sir. It was about the family, but my personal reason about the army was that, sir, it would offer a life, sir, like a life which cannot be found in any other occupation. Like, sir, I would be able to meet a lot of different people in the army, and also, sir, I would be able to experience more of the dynamic things, more dynamic adventures that we would be doing. Sir, also when I heard about the NDA and the training, I was much more interested that like what type of training would we get there, and sir, it was much more fantasizing to me. So I thought that I should be joining NDA only.
Okay, ND is understandable,
Yes,
but
sir.
then army, why not give your effort?
Sir, sir, it was army, sir, because I was so that I was usually interested in that para regiment in the army. So that uniform I used to love so much. Sir, I also was interested in Air Force at first, but I thought that it would require much more technical studies. Like I have to study physics a lot more, and the physics was not the subject that I liked much. So I thought that army would be the best option to serve as a army officer, and also to live my dream without any physics.
Who told you that you don't have to study in army?
Sir, I
It's a
would be studying in
misconception.
army. Sir, I would be studying in army, but sir, physics would not be mandatory to me.
Okay, so let's hear what you know about the army.
Yes, sir.
The duration of training till you would become an officer. What
Yes,
are
sir.
the different arms and branches? Which one would you like to opt for if you were given a choice? Who
Yes,
is
sir.
presently chief of the army staff? What's the motto of the army?
Yes, sir. Sir, so motto of the Indian Army is service before self, and the Chief of Army Staff currently is General Upendra Dwivedi. Sir, regarding my training, there would be 3 years training in my NDA and 1 year in IMA, and then I will be commissioned as a lieutenant. Sir, I would be more interested to join the fighting arms, in which also among the infantry, mechanized infantry, and the armored, I would be interested in joining the infantry. Sir, there are support arms and services also. Like support arms include the artillery, army aviation corps, army air defense, and some more, and in the services, the Army Ordnance Corps, the Corps of Electrical and Mechanical Engineers, the Army Medical Corps, and the National Cadet Corps also. So I would be interested in joining the infantry. Yes, sir.
But infantry is also the toughest and the most risky.
Yes, sir.
You can make yourself comfortable in joining some other branch.